Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will focus on the preparation tools for IQC inspections, which are the key to precision work. First, let's look at magnifying glasses and tweezers. A magnifying glass not only allows us to see tiny details clearly, but is also a helpful assistant during the inspection process. Tweezers, small and precise. It can easily pick up tiny parts. Don't underestimate the power of this little tool. Now look at this caliper. In IQC inspection, accurate dimensions are key. Use calipers to measure to ensure that the product meets specifications. This step must not be ignored. Finally, there's the anti-static wrist strap. During IQC inspection, it is crucial to prevent the impact of static electricity on the product and ensure that the entire process is safe and error-free. Overall, these gadgets play an important role in IQC inspections. I hope today's content can give you a preliminary understanding of our company's IQC inspection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.